Have you ever had boiled eggs like this? If not, then learn how to make them with us. Start by grating 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. In a frying pan, add 50 milliliters of water and 300 grams of tomato sauce. Stir, letting it cook for 2 minutes. Add half of the grated mozzarella and adjust the salt, black pepper, and a bit of oregano. Stir. Look at how wonderfully the cheese is melting. With the cheese melted, now distribute 5 eggs. Add the rest of the grated mozzarella. Let's sprinkle a bit of oregano on top and let it sit for 5 minutes to cook the eggs and melt the cheese. To finish, add chopped green onions to taste and serve. And it's ready! Our boiled eggs with melted cheese turned out amazing, didn't they? This is a different and delicious way to prepare eggs, perfect for any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and recipes like this. We're signing off for now, and see you next time.